It's your turn. It's your turn to earn a living. What's in there? Oh, get over there. Get over here. Don't act like you're afraid. I know you're not. I know you're not. What's that? Maverick. You're so handsome. Maverick, will you take one? Oops, I'm dropping. You're not going to do it, are you? You're not going to do it, are you? Come here. Okay, we're just going to dump some. Okay, now you do it. Maverick. Yes, Rudy. Maverick, come down here. Look it. We got tickets down here. Eat them. Not going to do it? Benjamin's just aching to do it. No, you don't get to go in the kestrel's cage. All right. I'll give up. Pete, what if I grab a few? Maybe you would take one out of my hand? Huh, would you? I'll reach in, mix them up. And would you take one? Huh? Would you? Would you take one from me? You can't really see. Which one did you get? Which one did you get? Let's see. Can I have it back now? Yeah, can I have it back? Feet. Can I have it? Can I get it? But if I know if I open the door to get it, you're going to come out. Where are those long tongs? Can I have it? Can I get it? Can I have it? Pete. Which one did you get? All right. Okay. The number is number 23. Pete picked number 23. Good job, Pete.